after long drive. We parked here at the truck parking here in Paris. So this is one of the parking over here. Goes to Paris and have a rest, 9 hours or 11-hour rest, depending on the type of rest you have to rest before driving. And we continue from here later in the day. So we all parked here, and let's see around. Okay, I'm carrying a goods that has to go. Here is the drink. And the fridge has to be on all the time to make sure the goods does not spoil. And the goods is going to Netherlands, so make sure and the truck is sealed to avoid problems and to avoid people not to have access to the goods. So that's actually what we do, and our day-by-day job is to make sure the goods got delivered safe without issues. So this is one of the things over here. Okay, let's see the other side of the fridge, because the fridge is on. You have to make sure the red fuel is there enough for the fridge not to get stuck. So since it's working non-stop for the goods not to lost temperature, but it has to go on 3 degrees down to the place. And this is how we'll leave the truck asleep. The most funny part of it is that the fridge don't has to be off, and you're going to sleep in your truck with this fridge on 24 hours. And I needed 3 days to get to Netherlands. So the fridge is going to be on like this, close to the bed, for in the next 3 days with the noise of the fridge just close to your head. That's it.